What's good, and good morning from Canada. So we got a little bit of a bounce for our Polygonians. Currently sitting at $1.65, not quite out of the woods yet, but I'm going to go over the technical analysis for both Ethereum and for Polygon. So we're sitting at a market cap of 10.41 billion, and then 24-hour volume is 1.58 billion. So we're going to start with Ethereum today. So we're here on the daily for Ethereum, and we've been talking about that bullish cross on the MACD, which is a beautiful sign. And I also have this trend line of support here. So if we were to continue to trade sideways, then we may come down to that trend level of support. However, I would like to show you to you guys here on the 4-hour, because there's quite a bit of bullish scenarios to play out here. So we have a double bottom pattern that has played out, as you can see on the 4-hour chart. And here would be your neckline. And we're seeing a little bit of breakout here, but if we fully break out, we backtest it as support. And if we can break this level of resistance in our ascending triangle here at 28.64, that would be a beautiful sign. And we have that breakout from our double bottom. If you measure it from the bottom of your wick up to your neckline, measure it to your breakout, could bring us right up to that price target of 3,063. Now I would like to see that increase in volume. If we were to have that breakout, you can see we're still decreasing in volume. If we were to break through 28.64 and break out of this double bottom, I would love to see that increase in volume to confirm that we're actually going to see a recovery here. However, we can come up and hit resistance. I'm just going to take that out. Continue to hit resistance at 28.64. As you can see here, how much resistance we hit on this ascending triangle, but it's beautiful to see we held that support I talked about yesterday. It was crucial that we hold this trend line of support, and we've been doing that. And if you, as you can see here on the 4-hour, we're holding the support of the EMAs, which is also a good sign. So I want to pop it open on the 1-hour chart. So we're here on the 1-hour. I'm just going to take this white line out here. So we can see we're creating higher highs and higher lows, and we're holding the 20 EMA beautifully here as support. So what we want to see, guys, is we break 28.64. We break that, we backtest it as support. That's a beautiful sign of continuation. However, guys, if we do hit that resistance, and we roll over once again, then we can come down here and find support along this trend line of support at about 27.31. So let's hop into Matic, guys. So we're here on the daily chart for Matic, and we had that little bit of bounce as we did with Ethereum as well, right off that $1.50. Now we're not quite out of the woods yet. I would love to see us get back above the 20 EMA here, this yellow line here on the daily chart. We also need to get above the golden ratio here. I pulled my Fibonacci from our all-time high down to our low, and right now we're hitting the Fibonacci, the 0.618 as resistance. So it would be crucial for us to break through and turn that back into support. But let's hop over here into the 4-hour chart. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, and you can see that nice little pump we had for Matic. We're back above the 20 EMA. We have hit a bit of resistance, and you can see we're trying to hold the golden ratio here, the 0.618, and turn it back into support. So for us to continue trending upwards, we need to hold this as support and then get back above the 55 EMA. And it's crucial that we break through that $1.77. You can see all the support in this area, resistance. So it would be a key level for us to break through. However, if we do roll over, we still have a bit of low volume here. If we hit resistance, we could see a little bit of something like this where we consolidate a bit and we create a bit of a bull pennant. As you can see here, we came up, we consolidated, and then we rolled over. So that's also a possibility as well, guys. If Ethereum hits that resistance and Ethereum rolls, where you're going to see Matic come down too. So we could consolidate, and then we decide what we're going to do, if we're going to roll over or if we're going to break out to the upside. You can see here we came up, we consolidated, we rolled. So we've come back up, we consolidated. Now if Ethereum hits resistance, comes up, hits resistance, rolls over, then that's what you'll see with Matic. So I think if Ethereum breaks out here, if it breaks out from 28.64, I think Matic has a strong possibility to break out as well. So we have to keep a close eye on Ethereum right now. But in the short term, if we do hit that resistance, I'll give you guys both scenarios. We need to break through that $1.77 and head towards that $1.94. Would be crucial for us to hold support of the golden ratio. However, if we do consolidate and roll over, we do still have that strong level of support at $1.51. And then down here we have a little bit of support in that $1.35, $1.38 area, and then our previous swing high at the 0.382 at about $1.22 that we have been talking about here in previous videos for Matic. So good to see us back above the EMAs. Maybe I'll quickly put it onto the hourly here. So we have had the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 on the hourly chart. So we would need to continue to hold support and start creating higher highs and higher lows. We might see a little bit of consolidation here as the price squeezes a little bit, something like this, which would be a bull pennant, which is a bullish formation. And then you would measure your flag, and if we broke out to the upside, if you get that confirmation, always wait for your confirmation, wait for it to come out and back test it as support, and that would send you up past your $1.77 price target. However, if we do break to the downside, we come down close to that level support, about $1.51 here for Matic. All right, guys, and there was one more thing I wanted to show you guys here on the 4 hour. So we're also creating this larger symmetrical triangle that I noticed here. Let me pull it out. So it would be great for us to hold this trend line of support here. If we do come down to that $1.50 and we start back testing it as resistance, that's when we could come down to that $1.22. And hopefully hopefully, if we do start creating higher highs and higher lows, break through $1.77, head up towards $1.94, break that, then we would be coming out of this symmetrical triangle here, back test it as resistance. That would be a beautiful sign of continuation as well. All right, guys, quick shout out to today's video sponsor, crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. This is one of the major platforms that I use to invest into my crypto. You can join 10 million plus users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. They have incredible rewards, guys, including their Visa cards. You stake a certain amount of CRO and you get a Visa card that gives you cash back in crypto, in CRO, the native coin of crypto.com, as well as benefits like free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, depending on the level of card you have, including Expedia and Airbnb travel benefits as well, guys. They also have Crypto Earn, where you can earn on staking your coins. Bitcoin 8.5%, Ethereum 7.5%, USDC 14%, guys. And they have a calculator to calculate your earnings, and you can see here, if you were to stake 4,000 CRO, 5,000 USD, you could earn $600 per year in USDC. Pretty awesome, guys. And then down here they have all the different returns that they have for staking your coins. Crypto.com 6% on a 3-month term. You have USD coin 12%, guys. You have Cardano down here 3%, Binance Coin 3%, Bitcoin 6.5%, USD Tether 12%. So pretty cool, guys. Definitely something worth looking into. If you're interested in signing up to crypto.com, you'll receive $25 for free in crypto for just using my referral link, which is in the top of the comment section as well as in the description. All right, guys. So if you got any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you're new, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members strong, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.